Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to discuss transferring data from Easy Accounting Professional Series to ProSeries. And what I have here on the left is one of the company files that comes. It's a sample file that comes with the EasyAcct program. I have it open on the company information screen. And how I got here, by the way, was that I clicked on the wizard and it defaults the first selection to the company information. And the reason why this is a good place to start is because you need to make sure that the type of company that you select matches the type of company you're going to import, or file, I should say, that's going to be importing this information into in ProSeries. So I'm going to select the S corporation just like I have here set up, and I have a tax file already prepared for importing. So I'm going to click finish on this because this is all I need to do at this point. I have a couple of uh, journal entries to make. Well, at least one to demonstrate how that information carries over. So what I'm going to do here is select accounts receivable, and I'm going to choose line 2A, which is going to be under Schedule L for accounts receivable. So this is looking good. I'm going to close this, and I just want to show you real briefly that this file also has assets already created. So we'll import this information as well. So to begin the export, you just come back to the Easy Accounting, EasyAcct Utilities, and you select this option, ProSeries uh, Tax Transfers, and it'll present you with this dialog box. It's already defaulting to tax year 2020 because this is a tax year 2020 product, just like ProSeries is on the right. And because I previously opened the file, it already cached the name of the file, but you're going to need to browse for the file to select it um, if it's not pre-selected. And to begin, all I do is check these boxes here, and I'm going to tell it to import the information into the main form. Um, and this is the name of the company file that's currently open. It's going to export the Schedule L information that we talked about earlier and the assets. So I'm going to hit begin transfer, and that's it. And you can see here that the transfer is complete. If you were paying attention, you would have seen before that these were the two files that were originally highlighted. This is the cache file that comes with the ProSeries tax file. And then two new ones were added that begin with AST and TXF. So this is basically the proprietary format name that is given to the EasyAcct export file. But this one represents the asset, and this one represents the tax exchange format file that's carrying like the Schedule L information that we talked about earlier. So now the import file, a real quick note, is only used once. So as soon as you open the file, it'll begin the import process, and then the system is going to basically discard it after that. So if the information is not quite right, whatever the case is, you're still going to need to go back into EasyAcct, correct whatever you need to correct, and then re-export that information so that it can bring it in. So to give you the demonstration, I'm going to open the file, and it's beginning to import one. And if you watch down here, you'll see that the TXF was imported, and now this is the asset information. And that's it. And you see now that those two files were discarded by the system, but the information that we needed to import was imported. And if I go to Schedule L, here is the accounts receivable that was imported. That was the amount, and these are the various assets that were imported. If I come here to the depreciation option worksheet, you can see all of the information is there. And that's pretty much it. That is how you export um, tax and asset information to ProSeries from EasyAcct Accounting. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.